Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry. I was cleaning off the water from the camera. So we got massive hail.
Which is in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Timing from 1 p.m. this afternoon through 7 a.m. Friday. Winds. Sustained winds of around 40 miles per hour with gusts in excess of 55 miles per hour for several hours. Impacts. These strong winds will cause significant travel difficulty, particularly along north-south oriented roads, and especially for high-profile vehicles. Damage to shingles, tree limbs, and power lines is possible, and lightweight Christmas decorations may be blown away or destroyed. With rain changing to snow, the high winds and falling temperatures will cause the wet pavement to rapidly freeze, causing slick roads. Rush hour traffic this evening will likely be difficult, with the worst expected later tonight as winds become stronger and snow begins to fall, restricting visibilities to 1 mile. A high wind warning means a hazardous highway event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least
I have no internet.
gusts in excess of 55 miles
Dang
per
it.
hour can lead to property damage. Secure outdoor furniture or trash cans, or move them inside. Here is a winter weather statement for the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Winter weather advisory now in effect from 5 p.m. this afternoon to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. The winter weather advisory is now in effect from 5 p.m. this afternoon to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Winds. Sustained winds of around 40 miles per hour with gusts in excess of 55 miles per hour. Accumulations.
That's one of my Christmas decorations just fell over.
Strong winds will begin around 1 p.m. today and continue through 10 a.m. Friday. Accumulating snow is not
Oh good. The window's cleared so we can keep it. That was freaky. It's raining right now.
Single-digit winter weather advisory for snow and blowing snow means that visibilities will be limited due to a combination of falling and blowing snow. Use caution when traveling, especially in open areas. Here are some storm reports from around the area. At 2:19 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a storm chaser measured a 56-mile-per-hour non-thunderstorm wind gust 1 mile south of Thorntown in Boone County. Measured sustained winds of 43 miles per hour with gusts of 56 miles an hour. And now a special weather statement for the following counties in Indiana: Hamilton, Hancock, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, and Shelby. Strong thunderstorm advisory for Brown, northern Bartholomew, southeastern Hamilton, Hancock, Johnson, southern Madison, Marion, eastern Morgan, and Shelby counties until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:49 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, storm spotters reported strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 6 miles south of Zionsville to 8 miles south of Nashville and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hail up to 1/2 inch in diameter and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour are expected with these storms. Locations near the path of these storms include Indianapolis, Shelbyville, Anderson, Nashville, Southport,
So what he was just saying is what we just got hit by. So that's the storm. It's gone. It's just raining now.
Head, Crow's Nest, Rocky Ripple, North Crow's Nest, Barkersville. Now a brief forecast for Indiana and nearby parts of surrounding states. A strong storm system will continue to affect portions of the 5-state area through Friday night. Shower and thunderstorm chances will give way to a wintry mix, and then all snow is colder and filters in behind this.
So I'm gonna stop for now. Awesome. The storms in December.